I gotta eat it fast. It's too hot. It's melting. Ah. Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to Next Smart Chip. Today we're making peach and cherry bingsu. When you have bingsu, you need shaved ice, but you also need a shaved ice maker. This recipe, we're going to make essentially ice cream without using any sort of shaved ice maker. So it's not exactly traditional bingsu. It's basically homemade ice cream that we're going to sort of make it like bingsu. But it's close enough to the real thing that is easy to do at home without having to buy expensive equipment. Start by mixing everything together and then just put it in a container. Now you can put it in a plastic bag. There's a lot of different ways to do it. I'm going to keep this overnight, so I actually want to put this in the container so that I don't have to worry. I can leave it in there for a few days if I need to. So like I said, refrigerate overnight or until it's mostly frozen. You can keep an eye on that if you want. I just put it overnight. Next day or 2 days later, come on in, cut it up into small pieces. This is because we're going to put it in the blender. You could probably bash it all up, and it's easy to do that when you have it in a bag, but even when I put it in a bag, I found it really difficult to smash up properly, and it wasn't quite right. I'll wait till that finishes. There we go. Now, I didn't show the long effort it took. It was quite difficult to break it up, but just keep moving the pieces around, and eventually it becomes this beautiful soft ice cream. Look at that. Perfect. Now, it's not exactly like ice cream. Like I said, it's a little bit more similar to shaved ice. It's a little bit icier. But for what we're going for and the consistency we're after, you couldn't get a better result. For your toppings, you can do anything. You'll see a video later or have a look if you're watching this in the past. There's a part red bean is a very common one, as well as mango. Today, I've got peaches on hand because it's peach season, and I'm from a part of Korea where peaches are sort of famous. These are beautiful peaches that my wife got for us, and they've got that beautiful red on the inside. Remind me of the New Zealand peaches. Then put it in a bowl and just shove the ingredients on top. As I always say, you don't have to make it look beautiful. Because I'm trying to make it look beautiful, mine's melting. It's steadily melting away as I decorate it here. But that's okay. Throw a little bit of yeonyu on there, condensed milk, and it's ready to serve. So I'm going to eat it and cool off because it was hot in that kitchen that day. I can't wait. This thing's melting away. It was incredibly hard to plate this because it was melting as I was plating it, so I was rushing to get it done. I just want to eat it. It's cold and I'm so hot in this kitchen. Ooh. It's just like eating a bingsu you'd have at the store. The shaved, since it's melting a little bit, the shaved ice feeling isn't the same. When you get it from like a proper place that uses a shaved ice machine, it's got this sort of, not crunchy, it's not icy, it's soft. It's really hard to explain. You've basically got to have it. You've got to find somewhere that sells Korean bingsu and get the real deal. But for making it home, this is pretty close, to be honest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And as we always say, get out there, get cooking, make your own local dishes and enjoy it. Enjoy the food you're eating and have a great day. Thanks for watching. I gotta eat it fast. It's too hot. It's melting.